Welcome to 1633 Melman Street, an immaculately maintained 4-bedroom brick home with 3 washrooms situated within a wonderful family-minded neighbourhood of Pickering's Brock Ridge community. Stamped concrete walkways off the driveway lead to both the backyard and to an arched portico with a double-door entry, which opens into a spacious foyer, its ceramic flooring flowing throughout the main level hallways and into the kitchen area. To the left of the foyer are the formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, both finished with hardwood flooring. Open to each other and generously sized, the dining room has direct access to the kitchen and an elegant light fixture, while natural light through west and east-facing windows, as well as a subtle neutral color palette, give these beautiful entertaining spaces a bright and airy atmosphere. Natural light through west-facing windows enhances the bright, airy aura of the kitchen and its breakfast room, where a sliding door walkout along a turret-shaped wall gives access to the backyard. The updated kitchen has a clean, modern design in shades of white and grey and showcases crisp, light-colored cabinetry with contemporary metal door and drawer pulls, quartz counters and stone-tiled backsplashes, as well as a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink and appliances including a dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. The breakfast room also has a quartz display counter and an elegant light fixture, and through its walkout is a nicely sized backyard with a stamped concrete patio area complete with a metal gazebo, as well as landscaped garden beds that also line the concrete walkway on the north side of the home. The main level also features a spacious private home office with hardwood flooring, a walk-in coat closet with double doors, stairs to an unfinished lower level with a cold room, hardwood stairs to a mid-level family room, access to the garage, and a laundry room with washer, dryer, a walkout to the side yard's concrete walkway, as well as access to a powder room updated with a contemporary vanity and track lighting. To the upper level is the main hardwood staircase, which is finished with a light and dark colored railing that is continued along the upper hallway and with the stairs down to the mid-level family room, and hardwood flooring flows throughout these 2 levels. A fantastic gathering space that is quite generous in size, the family room enjoys warm natural light through east and south facing windows, while a wood-burning brick fireplace brings additional coziness to the room. The 4 upper-level bedrooms all have a light, neutral decor and large windows for natural lighting, with the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms having ample closet storage and sharing amongst them a 4-piece common-use washroom featuring ceramic tiled finishes throughout, as well as a vanity updated with a stone counter and undermount basin. The master suite is incredibly spacious and can easily accommodate a comfortable sitting area by its turret wall. Its large west-facing windows overlook the backyard, and this impressive retreat showcases 2 double closets plus a walk-in closet, as well as a spa-like ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a jetted tub, a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads and body jets, as well as a vanity with countertop basin. Walking distance to Valley Farm Public School, École Ronald Marion, a neighborhood plaza, parks, and public transit. This home is also a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.